So there we have them. And today. So on the building site, what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 bananas and 4 eggs, and I'm going to make pancakes. No flour whatsoever. There's the bananas in. So that's the bananas and eggs in. I put them in the mixer. They're now in the mixer. So I shut that up. Close it down. Put the lid on. Don't forget to put the lid on. And start. So the pan is heating up. Put a little bit of oil in. Oops, that's far too much. I'll wipe that off in a minute. So now we pour a little bit of mixture in. There we are. That's those 4 in. Now we'll just leave it to cook up a little bit. So one was a mishap, but on the first batch you always expect a mishap. But as you can see, they're coming through nicely and they'll be ready in a few seconds. Now do remember, I'm doing this on a building site, so everything's a little bit rough and ready, but I'm sure you'll agree it's dead simple. So here we go again on the second batch. Let's see if we can get it in. Now do remember, all this is eggs and bananas, nothing else. Now what I do is I cover them over with one of those splatter guards. Not that it splatters, but it's just that it keeps the heat in, so they cook quicker. Not that they take a long time to cook. So there we have them, and we put a bit of sugar on. That's a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of lemon, and there we are, all done. That was easy.